Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of your laptop overheating and slowing you down? Well, I've got the solution for you. The SOUNDANCE laptop cooling pad is here to revolutionize your computing experience. This lightning-fast cooling pad is a total game changer, and I'm excited too. With its large 140mm fan, you'll feel the cool air circulating faster and more efficiently, preventing overheating and keeping your device running smoothly. You'll also love the blue LED light that lights up when it's on. It's a great visual cue to know your fan is working hard to keep your laptop cool. Plus, the low noise level is a huge bonus. You can barely hear it humming in the background, it's like a whisper. This laptop stand also comes with 4 USB 3.0 ports, perfect for plugging in your mouse, keyboard, and other accessories, keeping your workspace organized and clutter-free. The smooth edge and silicone pads will also give you peace of mind, knowing your device is scratch-free and secure. Thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It's a must-have for anyone who wants a seamless computing experience. Whether you're a gamer, student, or professional, this cooling pad is designed to deliver, with its elegant and neat design suiting any environment, from home to office. You'll be amazed at how much of a difference it makes. Your laptop will run faster, and you'll be more productive. It's a win-win. So, what are you waiting for? Get your SOUNDANCE laptop cooling pad today and take your computing to the next level. You won't regret it. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.